morning everyone. Today we will be starting the advanced web designing chapter. My name is Nelson Park. I am teaching IT subject in SGM College. In our previous lecture, we discussed about some points in advanced web designing chapter of IT subject. The points are introduction of advanced web design, then forms in HTML, then HTML5 introduce new input type like color, date, month, year, date local time, week, search, file, etc. Then next point is input restriction, and we will also take the example of input tag. Today we will see the next point, meta tag. Meta tag is a tag in HTML that describes some aspects of contents of a web page. The HTML meta tag is used by search engine to search information that is provided with the web page. The meta tag is empty tag, means singular tag. The meta element provides metadata about the HTML document. Metadata is a set of data that describes and gives information about other data. Metadata is data about data, means it is a set of data that describes and gives information about other data. The meta tags are typically used. To provide structured data such as documents, keywords, description, author name, character encoding, and other data. Any metadata can be placed inside the head section, means open head tag and close head tag. The meta tag can be placed between the open head tag and close head tag. Metadata will not display on the web page. Metadata will not display on the web page. Then next point is attribute of meta tag. Next point is the attribute of a meta tag. The first is name. Here the value is author, description, keywords copyright. The first name is an attribute of a meta tag. The value of name attribute can be related any of the following. Means the value of name specifies the author, description, keywords and copyright. For example, meta name is equal to meta name is equal to in double quoted author meta name is equal to author. Meta is a tag in a HTML. Name is an attribute of a meta tag. It specifies the name of the metadata like. It specifies the name of metadata like author, description, keywords and copyright. The second is content. Second attribute is content. The second attribute of meta tag is content. It can have any textual matter related to the name. It can have the content attribute is used to textual matter related to name. This content attribute specifies it can have used the textual matter related to the name. For example, meta name is equal to author, content is equal to Bal Bharti. Second, meta name equal to description content is equal to advanced web designing. Then next example is meta name equal to keywords. Content is equal to HTML5, listing HTML5, listing HTML5 and learn HTML5. The first is author. Content is the attribute of meta tag. It can have use to textual matter if you can use the textual matter related to the name. For example, first is meta name is equal to author. Meta is a tag, name is a attribute of a meta tag. Then content is also attribute of a meta tag. Here this line shows the value of content attribute. Means here content of author, here content of author is Balbharti. This line shows content of author is Balbharti. Then next line is meta name equal to description, content equal to advanced web design. Here name and content are attributes of a meta tag. Then the value of content attribute. The value of content attribute, it specifies the name of topic like advanced web designing. Advanced web designing. The name of attribute of the meta tag defines the name of piece of document level metadata, while the content attribute gives the corresponding value. The content attribute value may contain text and entities, but it may not contain HTML tag. The content attribute value may contain text. The content attribute value may contain text and entities, but may not contain HTML tag. Here the next is a meta name is equal to keywords. Content is equal to HTML5, listing HTML5, learn HTML5. The keywords are giving extra weight to a documents. Keywords are giving extra weight to a documents, and description provide a synopsis of the page. The keywords giving the extra weight to the document. This line shows here the value of content attribute are given. The value of content attribute are given as a keywords like HTML5, listing HTML5 and learn HTML5. Means the value of content attribute specifies are given as a keywords like HTML5, listing HTML5 and etc. These are the attributes of a meta tag. The first is a name, second is a content. The name is a specified attribute value. The value of a name attribute can be related to author, description, keywords and copyright. Second is a content. The content attribute you can have use to any textual matter to related to the name. These are the examples. And the content attribute value may contain text and entities, but it may not contain HTML tags. The next is a cassette. Cassette means character set. Here the value of this attribute is UTF-8 and big 5. UTF-8 and big 5. For example, Meta cassette equal to UTF-8 and Meta cassette equal to big 5. The Meta cassette equal to UTF-8 and Meta cassette equal to big 5. The cassette attribute of meta tag specifies the character encoding used by the document. It specifies the character encoding used by the document. This is called a character encoding declaration. For example, UTF-8 is used for Indian characters. And big 5 is used for Chinese characters. Chinese character. The cassette attribute of a meta tag specifies the character encoding used by the document. It specifies character encoding used by the document. This is called a character encoding declaration. And there are two values. Meta cassette equal to UTF-5. UTF-5 is used for Indian characters, and next big 5 is used for Chinese characters. Then last attribute of the meta tag is HTTP EQ. The value of that character is refresh, set cookie, content type and expires. Refresh, set cookies content type and expires. The value of that attribute is refresh, set cookie, content type and expires. These attributes used for HTTP response message headers. This attribute is used to response message HTTP response message headers. For example, content is equal to 5. Content is equal to 5. Then next is a set cookies. Meta name is equal to here we can use the last attribute of a meta tag is HTTP EQ. The value of these attributes are refresh, set cookie, content type and expires. For example, meta HTTP EQ is equal to refresh, content equal to 5. This line shows here the page will get refreshed after the every 5 seconds. The page will refresh after every 5 seconds. The next line is meta HTTP EQ is equal to set cookies. This line shows the browser send the cookies back to the server. The browser send the cookies back to the server. Then the next is it specifies, the third line is specifies content equal to text or HTML and cassette is equal to big file. The big file cassette is used for Chinese characters. This line shows specifies character encoding for the document. Specifies character encoding for the document. And the last is expires. The last value we will see here this line shows the attribute of HTTP EQ of a meta tag has the value expires. The content is, this line shows here page session will get expires at specified date and time. This page session will get expired by at specified given date and time. So today we have discussed about the metadata tag and attributes of a